understand, all he does is stress you. I can see a state of misery from the introduction. Ain't about no sucking or touching, just honest discussion. Maybe we can see a better way, find a brighter day. Late night phone conversations, would that be okay? I don't wanna take up all your time, be the next in line. Tell me your size, let me find you things with you in mind. I can see it cautious and I'm careful not to scare you. The anticipation of love making got you shaking when I'm standing near you. Moves of precision will prepare you in case you get scared. Just ask the man in the mirror. Now the picture's getting clearer. All he does is hit you hard. I'm telling you to leave him, and you tell me keep my faith in God. I don't understand, I just wanna bring you home. I wonder should I leave you alone and find a woman of my own.
I gave you my heart, but it wasn't enough. 'Cause I had faith in you, faith in me and us. But now I'm keeping my hands to my body. Better get used to me dancing alone at the parties.
Could it be my destiny to be lonely and checking for these hoochies that be on me cause they phony? With you it's different, I got no need to be suspicious, cause I can tell my life with you would be delicious. The way you lick your lips and shake your hips got me addicted. I'm sitting here hoping that we could find some way to kick it. Even though I got the digits, gotta struggle to resist it. Slowly advance when it's my chance not to